it's hard.
Why can't I just make the eggs?
Because you take too long, you make a big mess, and I have to clean the whole thing up.
They aren't done. There's white stuff. You know, Mom, the eggs are not done.
Fine, make your own fucking eggs.
I wanted to. You won't let me. Mom,
We don't need to buy that.
it's only $3. I'm having a hard week.
Well, if you want to read it, we can go down to the public library.
I want to read it in bed.
That's something that rich people do. We're not rich people.
Okay, fine. Well, yours is the worst life of all, so you win.
Oh, so now you're mad?
No, it's
because
just you're
I
being
wanted to
ridiculous
listen to
because you
music.
have a great life.
I'm sorry, I'm not perfect.
No one's asking you to be perfect, just consider it.
I just think it's such a shame that you're spending your last Thanksgiving with a family you've never met instead of us. But I guess you want it that way. Are you tired?
No,
So if you're tired, we can sit down.
I'm not tired.
Oh, okay. I just couldn't tell because you were dragging your feet. Well, I just couldn't tell.
Why didn't you just say pick up your feet?
I didn't know if you were
You
tired.
were being passive aggressive.
No, I
You are so infuriated.
Please stop yelling.
I'm not yelling. Oh, it's perfect.
Certain that the pattern of the bird of love that's wheeling on its dizzy way. Sunrise pregnant with your leaving, creeping in like certain death.
Do you think I look like I'm from Sacramento?
You are from Sacramento.
You don't have to do that.
Well, it's nice to make things neat and clean.
Your father's company is laying off people right and left. Did you even know that? No, of course you don't, because you don't think about anybody but yourself. An immaculate heart is already a luxury.
Immaculate fart. I want to go where culture is, like
How in
New
the world
York,
did I raise such a
or at least
snob?
Connecticut or New Hampshire,
Well,
where
you
writers
couldn't
live in the woods.
Get into those schools anyway.
Mom,
Christine, you can't leave your room like this.
I didn't.
None of these things were put away right. They aren't nice,
I put
Christine.
my clothes
now.
away. My name is
Don't
Lady
lie to
Bird.
me.
This uniform, this is going to look like trash on Monday. This isn't right. We can't treat our clothes like this. I don't know what your wealthy friends
Why do you care what I do to my clothes?
The way that you don't work, you're not even worth state tuition, Christine.
My name is Lady Bird.
Well, actually, it's not, and it's ridiculous.
Call me
because your
Lady
name
Bird
is
like you
Christine.
said you would.
You should just go to City College. You know, with your work ethic, just go to City College and then to jail, and then back to City College, and then maybe you'd learn to pull yourself up and not expect everybody. Your father doesn't have a job. He lost his job. Do you need him to come in here and explain that to you? Of course, he probably wouldn't anyway. He's Mr. Nice Guy, and I always have to be the bad
Can we
guy.
please just talk about
Can't
this
look
tomorrow?
like a
Rag, because that makes us look like rags. And you want to know the truth? Here's the truth. Some of your friends' fathers could employ your father, and they're not going to do it if it looks like his family is trash. You understand? Think your dad and I don't know how ashamed that you are of us? Your dad knows. Your dad knows why you ask him to drop you off a block away from school every day.
Dad, I didn't mean to.
You made him feel horrible. Horrible.
I'm sorry.
Do you know
Marion,
that?
you didn't have to bring
No,
that
Larry,
up.
you can't just be the nice guy. She has to know. She has to know how you feel. Otherwise, she's just gonna think she can say anything at all, and nobody ever gets hurt. Wrong side of the tracks.
Didn't you ever go to sleep without putting all your clothes away perfectly? Like even once? And don't you wish your mom hadn't gotten angry?
My mother was an abusive alcoholic.
I didn't mean it that way. It was a joke.
Yeah, it's just a joke. Mom and Dad, they don't care. We didn't think we'd be in this house for 25 years. We thought we would have moved someplace better. Whatever we give you, it's never enough. It's never enough.
It is enough.
Do you have any idea what it costs to raise you and how much you're just throwing away every day?
Give me a number.
What?
You give me a number for how much it costs to raise me, and I'm gonna get older and make a lot of money and write you a check for what I owe you so that I never have to speak to you again.
Well, I highly doubt that you will be able to get a job good enough to do that.
Why don't I look like the girls in the magazines? It's too tight. Fuck.
Well, I suggested you not have that second helping of pasta.
Mom,
Honey, you seem upset about it, and I'm
you're
trying to
giving
help.
me an eating disorder. I wish I could get an eating disorder. thought Miguel was gonna pick me up.
Well, I was just arriving from work and it was easier. Okay? Oh, honey. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You want to do our favorite Sunday activity? I don't have a second shift.
Yeah. Why can't you say I look nice?
I thought you didn't even care what I think.
I still want you to think I look good.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was telling you the truth. You want me to lie?
No, I mean, I wish that you liked me.
Of course I love you.
But do you like me?
I want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version? Sorry, I shouldn't have gone behind your back. It's not like I'm definitely going to New York. Mom, aren't you sort of proud that I'm so close to getting in? Just a little. I mean, yes, I know it was probably easier because 9/11 and less people applying with terrorism and all that, but still though, I'm sorry. I know I can lie and not be a good person, but please, Mom. Please, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I appreciate everything you've done for me. I'm ungrateful and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I wanted more. Just, please, talk to me. I know I'm so bad. I know I am. But please just talk to me, Mom. Mom, please talk to me. Thank you for driving.
You're welcome.
You're not coming.
You can't walk up to the gates anymore anyway.
Yeah, but I'm going to college.
Well, Dad will walk you to security. Parking's too expensive here.
It's okay. She'll be back.
come back.
Hi, you've reached the McPherson family. Please leave a message. Thank you.
Hi, Mom and Dad. It's me, Christine. It's the name you gave me. It's a good one. Dad, this is more for Mom. Hey, Mom. Did you feel emotional the first time that you drove in Sacramento? I did, and I wanted to tell you, but we weren't really talking when it happened. All those Bens I've known my whole life, and stores, and the whole thing. But I wanted to tell you, I love you. Thank you. Thank you.